Listen up, pilots. Prep your drones, pop on your propellers, charge your batteries, and dust off your little Part 107s. Because here, at DroneAdair, we do drone work different.
Did you know that there are over 300,000 drone pilots in the United States today? And most of us spend more than 50% of our time just looking for work.
We just need a job!
Not to mention getting the appropriate clearances.
Hey, can you fly that thing here?
Oh, please stop talking. Or, I don't know, dealing with contracts or proposals. Yeah, you got it together? Next! Worst of all, answering emails. Heck, we spend more of our time on the computer than actually flying.
Starlight.
We understand you're not some government spy or some peeping Tom. Forget what those internet trolls say.
They don't have proper authorization.
And that's why we created.
Take 5.
And that's why we created hell!
DroneAdair, the future of automation for drone pilots and companies looking to scale their operations. No thanks to Hal. Stupid son of a bitch.
Woo, it's nice in here. Book jobs on demand, get paid faster, and manage all of your client data in one centralized dashboard? Come on!
So stop wasting your time doing the things you hate and get back to what you love, actually flying. Imagine that. That's simple.
Like butter.